In kitchens around the world, tea storage is out of control. Does your pantry look like this? Or this? Or this? Does it sometimes make you feel like this? Wouldn't you rather it looked like this? Or this? Or this? The TeaBook is the evolved way to store, share, and serve your tea. It's ultra light, and when completely full, it weighs only 2 pounds. But inside, it holds your entire collection of teas. And the TeaBook makes it super easy to share tea with your friends. Now you don't have to choose for your friends. Your friends get to have the fun of choosing. The TeaBook makes it fun and easy to store, share, and serve your tea. The TeaBook was meticulously designed and crafted to be as lightweight as possible, but blend perfectly with your literary or culinary collection. The contours of its faux leather exterior fit beautifully in your hand, making sharing simple and safe. And its expandable band secures your teas, allowing your collection to grow. But the TeaBook's true innovation rests inside, with its custom-crafted crystal clear sleeves, cradling and protecting 144 of your teas. Each sleeve is precision cut, allowing you to easily store and serve your tea. Each page's backing is gently textured to soundly hold your tea. And the TeaBook's design is gentle on the planet, made of partially recycled and recyclable materials.